Namaste. Welcome to Ideazoom Academy, where facts meet fascination. Today, we're diving into the wildest secrets of India. This isn't just trivia. These are stories and records that have shaped the world. From ancient inventions to modern marvels visible from space, India is full of surprises. I've picked 10 facts that prove India isn't just incredible. It's on another level. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's explore. Here are the 10 most jaw-dropping facts about India. Let's start with something massive. India's general elections. With over 900 million eligible voters, it's the largest democratic event on earth. The Election Commission sets up over 1 million polling stations, from crowded cities to remote Himalayan villages. Voting machines travel by helicopter, boat, even elephant, whatever it takes. Here's the wildest part. In Gujarat's Gir forest, a polling booth is set up for just one voter, a temple priest named Mahant Haridas Udasin. A full team treks into the forest just for him. That's commitment. This isn't just about numbers. It's about making sure every voice counts, no matter how remote. The world watches in awe as India pulls off this logistical miracle. It's a living, breathing commitment to democracy. From megacities to a single voter in the wild, India's elections are a spectacle of human cooperation. That's fact number 1. And we're just getting started. Next, let's rewind to ancient India, the birthplace of chess. Chess began as Chaturanga, a game that taught strategy to Indian royalty. Its pieces represented infantry, cavalry, elephants, and chariots, the 4 divisions of the ancient army. Chaturanga spread to Persia, became Shatranj, and then evolved into modern chess as it traveled to Europe. Even the word checkmate comes from Persian roots, thanks to this Indian invention. Chess is now a universal language of strategy, played by millions worldwide. Every time you play, you're part of a 1,500-year-old tradition that started in India. That's the legacy of Indian ingenuity. Now let's talk about a modern marvel, Indian Railways. It's one of the world's largest employers, with over 1.2 million staff. The network covers 67,000 kilometers, enough to circle the Earth 1.5 times. Every day, 23 million passengers ride these trains, the population of Australia, moving daily. The Vivek Express travels over 4,200 kilometers from Assam to Kanyakumari, taking 80 hours and crossing 9 states. Managing this system means handling thousands of trains, millions of tickets, and extreme weather. Indian Railways is more than transport. It's a lifeline, a cultural icon, and a symbol of India's ability to manage complexity. It's an engineering marvel that keeps the country moving. India's love for cricket reaches new heights, literally. The Chale Cricket Ground in Himachal Pradesh is the highest in the world, at 2,444 meters above sea level. Built in 1893 by the Maharaja of Patiala, it sits atop a leveled hill surrounded by Himalayan forests. Playing here means thinner air, longer sixes, and a serious cardio workout. It's not used for international matches, but it's a point of pride and a tourist magnet. The Indian Army maintains it, and military cadets train here. Chale is a symbol of India's passion for cricket, so strong it moved mountains. It's a stadium in the sky, and a world record that stands tall. Imagine a festival so huge it's visible from space, the Kumbh Mela. Held every 12 years, it rotates between 4 sacred cities. In 2019, 240 million people attended over 49 days, more than the population of Brazil. A temporary mega-city is built, complete with roads, hospitals, and police. The main event ritual, bathing in the river, believed to wash away sins. NASA satellites have captured images of the crowds from orbit. It's one of the few human gatherings visible from space. The Kumbh Mela is a masterclass in organization and a testament to the power of faith. It's a spiritual phenomenon on a cosmic scale. India's diversity is legendary, especially its languages. The Constitution recognizes 22 official languages, but over 1,600 dialects are spoken nationwide. Travel a few hundred kilometers and everything changes. Language, script, accent, culture. Currency notes feature 17 languages. Films are made in dozens more. States are often organized by language, and education is multilingual. This mosaic of languages is a source of strength and creativity. India is a linguistic superpower, unity in diversity. Here's a mind-blowing contribution: 0. Ancient Indian mathematicians didn't just use 0 as a placeholder, they made it a number. Aryabhata and Brahmagupta defined its rules, revolutionizing math and paving the way for the decimal system. Without 0, there'd be no algebra, no computers, no digital world. The concept spread from India to the Middle East, then to Europe, changing science and technology forever. Every time you type a 0, remember its Indian roots. It's a simple circle with infinite impact. Did you know India is the world's largest milk producer? Thanks to the White Revolution led by Dr. Verghese Kurian, millions of small farmers joined cooperatives to supply milk nationwide. The Amul model empowered rural families, especially women, and turned India from a milk-deficient nation into a global leader. Today, over 22% of the world's milk comes from India. It's a story of grassroots empowerment and economic transformation. India's dairy revolution nourishes millions and inspires the world. Look at a world map. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. This reflects India's historic role in global trade and culture. For centuries, India's ports connected Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. The ocean was a highway for spices, textiles, and ideas. Even today, it's a vital trade route, and India's strategic position is unmatched. No other country has an ocean named in its honor, a symbol of India's enduring influence. High in the Himalayas, the village of Sikkim hosts the world's highest post office at 4,440 meters. Run by a single postmaster, it connects remote villages to the world, even in harsh winters. Mail is carried on foot through snow and mountain passes. For locals, it's a lifeline. For trekkers, a badge of honor. It doubles as a savings bank and a symbol of resilience. In an age of instant messaging, Sikkim's post office proves the power of human connection. There you have it. 10 mind-blowing facts that prove India is a wonderland of innovation, culture, and history. From single voter elections to the invention of 0, India's scale is unmatched. Which fact amazed you most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe to Ideazoom Academy for more. India's story is just beginning. Join us for more epic journeys. Jai Hind! See you in the next video.